Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone. Today, I thought that we'd go through a bunch of things on YouTube that happened throughout the year. A lot of it's deleted, but there's also a lot still here to go through. So, let's get into it. So, there's a lot to go through. This series recently got deleted. I got bored of it. Oh, my computer's. Okay, there we go. I got bored of it. Popular uploads. Oh no. In fourth, it's I'm going to. Oh, we'll go to that in a second. It's from 2019. We'll go to that. 85 subscribers, by the way. If I get 15 more subscribers, I have to do Just Dance again. So, yeah. Why is this one still here? Okay, I'll delete that later. We went to the very start. Most of this is from 2019. Like, this is the first video from 2019, smashing my old phone. This is my most popular video for some reason. It's horrible. It's Fleetway Part 2, Huge Jungle Gym. If I ever go to Fleetway again, I think I'd make a Fleetway Part 3 just because it did so well. Like, this video did pretty well too. Obviously not as good as like popular YouTubers, but for my channel, this was a really popular series. And it's only 2 episodes long. So, let's see Smashing My Old Phone. It's cringy. A lot of them are. Today we're smashing phones. Ryan. Okay, I wanted to just see the first hit. Will's in this. He wasn't even meant to be, but. Okay, I hit it. I'm trying to find when I hit it. Here it is. So how long is this video? 10 minutes. We smashed my phone for 10 minutes. So we did it in order by who decided they're going to come help me smash my phone. So it was me first, then Hannah, then Ryan, then Courtney. This was January 12th, so this was early on in the year. This was so much fun to make. Why is the category gaming? Why are comments turned off? Why? I'm so confused. I wasn't scared to hate. I must have just accidentally turned it off. Okay, what's my first video? When was it? Yeah, I used to do this every year. I was gonna do it again, but Screencast-O-Matic didn't disappeared, and yeah. See, this is the only video left where I did Screencast-O-Matic. That's my old setup. You can see I actually liked it. It was okay if I could get the screen all well. From Johnny. After Halloween, YouTube decided to put this on my recommended page. Great. All right. Wait, I replied to him. Oh, lol, that's great. Why did I put a question mark? It's only a week ago. Okay. Where does it say when I posted? Oh, right here. October. I posted Halloween of 2017. So 2 years ago is my first video. Abaddon Live. That's a great video, honestly. But there's a lot of stuff that happened in it. Yeah, I'm not gonna go through it. If you want to go check it out, I'll link this video in the description. You guys can check this one out yourselves. God. Okay. Let's check this out. Stop. 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 Let's get into me dancing quickly. Oh God. Oh, I'm scared. What was this? February 11th. I hate this. I find this just really good, is what my sister says. Okay, let's watch this video. This is Just Dance Kids, by the way. I don't have any Just Dances except for this one. Hmm. Hmm. I really love how that's the thumbnail. Okay, Yeet It Be Kooky William. All right. Season 8 or season 9? June? That's season 9. Okay. Oh, this is a special video. My new hamster. Oh, Bean. This is when I got Bean. Is it the same day? No, it's a day after. Oh, it's sideways. It's a she. We didn't know it yet.
Hi, Don.
Hi.
You want to play catch now?
Introducing Taylor.
No. You want to play catch now? Are you alive?
Oh, there we go. That was a little fun. All right. I want to see Bean. There's Bean. Or peeing. The final battle. This is the first and only event I've ever seen in Fortnite. Me and Will were actually watching this recently. We were going through a few old videos. I am so bad at recording though in this. Basically, I don't even play Fortnite anymore really, unless I get told to by one of my friends. Um, so this is when I started to stop. I was off for like 2 months, and now I barely ever play anymore. But I had no idea what I was doing here. I couldn't even like control my screen. I missed a bunch of cool parts of it, and I'm surprised no one screamed at me because Will did when we were watching that. Okay, we're getting into the good stuff now. Being stupid with Kooky William. All right. Yep. Okay. So basically, being stupid with Cookie William wasn't even supposed to be a joke. This was a joke. These were all recorded in this. They were all streamed the same day. It was Will kept doing that old glitch, where you like press a button and it hits a door, but hits a button at the same time and it crashes the game. So we had to record 3 videos to keep it going. This one's only a minute long. So yeah, our longest being stupid, I'm pretty sure is this one, part 4. We've had the Minecraft World series, which is over now. There's a few I have to get rid of still. Minecraft with my mom. Vegan lifestyle check. All right. This one was a long one. Dang, he needs the wood. Being stupid with Cookie William part 7. Where did the role play happen? Here it was. Okay, let me see this. So wait, this is when the attack was. This is the Winnie Army versus Brody Army on the beach. This is the Battle of the Beach. This is where Winnie's Tough Boy dies too. I kill him because I'm on the Brody Army side. Oh God. And then we got the being stupid finale. Where's that? Okay, finale. Here it is. Holy. Okay. Man, a lot has happened. This is when I started with screencast again. Here's the first video. Chatting with Kooky William. I'm wearing my ugly Christmas sweater. Merry Christmas! It's like a week later now. No! Okay, so let's go to Kooky William then. Oh, wait, you know what? I can just go like this. If I go to home, he should be right here. Guys, go subscribe to him if you haven't already. He has 75. He is exactly 10 behind me. Okay, this is the fun video. This is hilarious. I want to find the part. Hold on. Is it right here? Watch. He goes, and read your Bible, and then hurts himself. He like slams his desk. So, there might be a reaction video coming out to this soon. Death of NJD, official music video. Oh, okay, now that reminds me. One sec. There is something I need to find. I can't finish this without watching Abana. Where is it? There it is. This is the T-Series diss track. Nothing. just once. Or not, whichever will it be. Set the breakdown. T-Series, I'm here to spill the real tea. I try to dig for me for spot on #1. I forgot the dash at the end, right? I'll review you. 0 by Abana. We remade this into something called Pepsi Cola and actually tried to go into the talent show while singing it. We didn't get in. Will's so gonna copy strike me. That just sounds like something Will's gonna do. I'm gonna watch it just so you can. He's gonna report me for using his content. He probably can't copy strike me because he's not. We're not popular enough. But he can probably report me for it. Okay, listen to the end. We love this. Subbot. Listen. He got really excited because we finished it, and he's like, "Yes, let's go home." All right. Thanks, you guys, for coming along with me in the year. It's been a great year. And if you guys didn't have a good year, then just make this next year the best one yet. I had a great year. Next year, I'm going to make it even better. 2020 is going to be the best year ever for everyone involved. Yeah! See you guys later. Bye!